Splendid cartoon.
Inside Life. Go to the web series.
Web series.
Inside Life.
Driver, drop us here. You can keep the change.
Why are we walking? You could have just dropped us in front of your estate.
Yeah, but I don't like random people dropping me where I live. You can never tell who is who.
Where is your residential permit?
I don't have residential permit.
That means you don't belong to this estate. You have to call the person you are visiting to come out and answer for you.
The thing be say I dey with my babe, and my friend wey dey live for here don't give me today too, you know.
Bad guy.
You dey get something fast, so make we just keep all the plenty protocol. Just hold this one for you and your guy for there.
This money big o. Open gate for am. Kia kia.
You na correct man.
What was that? I thought this was your estate.
It is, but rules are rules, and I forgot my residence permit card. You would like us to be stuck outside?
I didn't say so.
I don't know why you are so uptight. You need to loosen up a bit.
You know what? I'm not going to your house if that's the plan. Neither am I interested in having sex or sleeping over at your place for the first time. I am leaving, I beg.
You talk too much.
Where are you going, sir?
Just drive. I will direct you.
Your bag needs to be in the boot, sir. Let me help you put it.
I can do it myself.
I want every checkpoint across the city to be on the lookout for Oscar. He is 5 feet tall, wears dreadlock, and might be with a lady. I am sending these pictures across all channels right now.
I need to know exactly where you are going so we can settle on the price.
Whatever your price would be, it won't be a problem.
Okay, oh, you said it, oh. I don't want to hear story. I don't have strength for arguments. This traffic is strange. I have never known traffic to be around here. Oh, it's a checkpoint.
Has there always been a checkpoint around here?
No, I'm even surprised myself. Officer, how far now?
What is inside your boot?
Officer, nothing is inside. Come on.
Are you the driver I am talking to?
I am sorry, officer, but it's just that I am really late for an appointment. Can we just wrap this up quickly so I can be on my way and you can relieve other motorists of this traffic?
Park this car.
What? That is not what I meant.
Since you are so concerned about other motorists, you should park so other motorists can be checked quickly. Driver, park this car now.
Ah, wow, Oga, it's like you're used to wasting money. Oh. Should have just let them check the vehicle. I would have been out of here now.
Officer, all this is time consuming. I told you I have an appointment. I can double the money if that is what you want.
Any other word from you and I will charge you with obstruction of justice.
There is nothing inside, officer, except for my passenger's bag.
What is inside your bag?
Nothing important, just some materials for my meeting.
Yeah! Do not let that man escape! Today, your end has come.
You like it?
Honey, come see action film for work today. Hey!
Wetin happen?
Now one guy will be ritual killer.
He come your workplace?
No, but he don't tell where he come. He kill one girl run. Now so he dey kill many girls through away. Police don't find am well. Now in today I see him with my 2 eyes. And I run go call police for him. They pursue him, but last, the guy run. No be small running where I run. If to say I get phone, I for no need to stress myself like that.
But now what for you? How you can't take that kind of risk? If to say the guy hold you unko?
Hold me. Secret agent like me. It remains small for join SSS.
See you. They make mouth there. You way they easily fear.
Fear waiting. That small boy. Person will have break into two. Now only God know wetin those girls they see for him body self. With that upcoming wish dada and the aboki earring. The baby no even fit am. Come resemble all those werewolf for fame. Now all those girls just they die on top like that. Now Monisha. Honey.
Oh yes.
You there here?
Yes. This your job, eh? I don't dey tell you say my spirit no support am. You don't dey see am now. It's very dangerous. What if something happen to you today?
Leave that thing. Nothing dey happen.
You no go hear word now.
Okay, make I leave my work, come do your own.
Why?
So that me too I go dey see all these kind goodies where you dey see for work now.
Now just today oh. Now just luck.
Wetin happen?
Forget that one.
You this man again. Why they disturb my life like this? You shop winch?
Please, I just want us to talk.
If you like, talk from now till next year. Carry president, come give presidential apology speech. I no want hear. Go tell your wife that one.
My wife has left me.
Clap for yourself. No be waiting you dey prophesy before. See, Mr. Man, make I just give you this free advice. You see me so? I don't face my own marriage. You too, go face your own. No come near me again, or else I go call police for you.
Mama Bomboy, see me in my office. Is everything okay?
Yes, so are they okay?
You don't look okay. I've noticed. Look, I know your personal issues are none of my business. But as your supervisor, if I see your mood affecting my productivity, I will be concerned.
Sir, I know they produce anything.
I mean your work.
Oh.
I saw Agbaje today. And when he came before, you did the right thing, sending him away. I know it must not have been easy.
It's not that hard.
I apologize on behalf of my friend. Sorry for what you were put through.
Thank you.
You're welcome. If it bothers you again, just tell me.
Thank you, sir.
Also, you should be careful now, since you are now indirectly involved in the ongoing investigation. What happened the other day could have been deadly for you.
I know.
You are a brave woman, oh.
Now God, oh.
Yes, you can go.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ladies.
Sir, you're early today.
Yes, I need to get home early.
Sir, let's go together now. It will be more fun.
Talk through. Na free ride you dey find.
Okay, let's go. You too, Mama Bomboy.
Huh? Thank you. Thank you, sir. But I don't already plan my movement.
Mama Bomboy.
You are not coming? Are you scared?
No.
She's coming, sir. We are coming, sir. Thank you, sir.
Alright, meet me in the car. Be quick.
I'm coming down here, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too, sir. Good night, Mama Bomboy.
We don't reach. Thank you very much, sir. God go bless you.
Hey, man. And you too. Have a nice day. Bye.
Honey, we reach house the same time. Honey, you dey okay?
You're a very useless woman. You will never change. From one man to the other, you no get shame?
Wetin you dey talk?
Who be that man wey carry you for car come drop? You think say I no go know? I don dey tell you over and over again, make you leave this work wey you dey do. You no go wan hear word. Na because of that wickedness wey dey your mind, you wan dey sleep around. They use work as excuse.
How many times I go tell you? I no dey do anything.
E be like say the beating wey that man wife give you that time never reset your brain. In fact, you need deliverance.
Wetin be all this one sef? Nowadays all this your insult don dey too much. Na only me marry? Every small thing, I be this, I be that. Na my fault say you dey insecure? Ah! You slap me! Papa Bomboy, you carry your hand, slap me. Ah! Yeah!
Yeah, woman.
Leave me alone! Leave me!
I go teach you lesson today. Honey, sweetie, my love, you no wan answer me? You still dey vex for me? I am very sorry for what happened yesterday. I am really... Where she dey?
Bye-bye. Thank you, my people, for watching Splendid Cartoon. Una too much. Abeg, I want una help me like this video. Come drop comment, come share am with any person wey una sabi. You see that subscribe button? May na help me click that button. And that come bell wey dey beside am. May na help me follow press am. So that anytime wey we upload new video, una go know one time. Una bye bye.